Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make a paper airplane.
A really good one.
Yeah. So
Hey, stop biting me.
So step one, fold this sheet of paper like an inch. Then open it back up. And then fold this sheet to the crease. Make it better. Okay, like that. And then fold it inward. So it should look like this. Then fold it in half. No, actually,
don't do that. Do not do that step, okay? Don't do that
so
step.
like this.
Yeah, like that. Like this.
And then fold this to there. So like that. Then open it back up. Fold this. Okay, so fold this corner to this line. So like that. Same with the other side. Now tuck this into here. So like that. So it should look something like this. Then fold it in half. Like that. And then open it up. And then a paper airplane.
A paper airplane.
Let's see how it flies.
See how it flies.
Ready?
Oh, sorry you can't see it, but it's right there. And the sky is white. The sky is white. And the paper airplane is white. And so it's camouflaging in the sky, so sorry about that if you couldn't see it fly.
Okay, so Ken, let's go downstairs.
Wow. Why are we always...
The paper airplane.
Yeah, the paper airplane's there.
Let's fly it again. There's someone gonna try to make it even. Sorry that my dog's barking. He barks a lot.
Yeah. It does.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, that's good. Good flight.
So that was how to make a really easy paper airplane.
Mm-hmm.
And see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.